As a leader in the space, talk to me about your top predictions for the L2 space in general, perhaps over the next 12 to 18 months. What are the developments that you're expecting to see from outside of Chain Labs?
I mean, I think we're going to continue to see the growth of custom chains, and we're going to start to see, it'll start to become clear sort of what kinds of app chain strategies make sense. I think that'll be number one. Number two is there'll be a focus on interoperability, on the ability to coordinate across chains, of making it easier for applications to operate across multiple chains in a way that is where there's less fragmentation of the user experience. We're not going to get to a place, I think, where there's no friction in moving or coordinating across chains, nor frankly from a security standpoint should we, because there are security trade-offs there. But I think that'll be a big thing, interoperability, cross-chain, multi-chain functionality. And I also think we're going to continue to have a robust discussion about governance, how governance should be done, who should be in charge of what, because you do see some differences between different L2 teams in how they approach governance considerations in a multi-chain world. You know, in the Arbitrum space, we're very big on the principle, your chain, your rules, which means that if that the sort of flagship DAO-governed chains like Arbitrum 1 and Arbitrum Nova, those are governed by the DAO. App chains should be governed by each app chain, and each app chain should be free to make its own decisions. We're really big on that principle. Others take more of a sort of, well, there should be one governance that has significant power over all the chains in the ecosystem. And I think we're going to see that issue play out as the app chain world becomes more mature. I think that's a big thing. Scalability, scalant, gas limit and cost are going to continue to be factors that people pay a lot of attention to. That is just like a continuous struggle to keep up with the growth in demand.